Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at the current trend of the price action and find out the present resistance and support levels using the Fibonacci tool. When we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, August 26th. At 6 p.m. we have high impacting news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news plan for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have a low impacting news also. So requesting you to make your trading plans based on this news outcome schedules. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame also, it is still in a very strong bearish trend because we have noticed the price action not to break the previous high. Only when the price action breaks the previous high, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to retrace and then to bounce back on the bearish side trend. As usual, I am going to draw a bearish channel pattern. So from this channel pattern we can understand that previously the price action had taken support on this bearish channel pattern support line and had bounced back on the bullish side trend reversal, and whenever it tested this resistance levels, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, I am connecting the lows of the past price action. So it is very clear that currently this trend line or support line is acting as a support for the current price action. So even if the price action trends on the bearish side, we can expect it to take support on this trend line. Only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side, but still this support line of the bearish channel pattern will be acting as a very strong support. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish trend continuation. So when we look at the resistance and support levels using the Fibonacci levels, so currently we have noticed the price action to go near to the level of 1769 and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. This level had acted as a very strong resistance in the past also, and this level of 1752 had acted as a very strong support and resistance in the past also. So wait for the price action to break this support level in order to take trades on the bearish side. But as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, the blue color line, it is still in a bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. But the overall trend of the price action is still in a bearish side, and within this bearish trend we are noticing the price action to have a multiple trends. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line on the previous high, it will be a bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We have very strong support level from the 4 hours time frame over here, which is around 1752, and strong resistance level which is around 1769 or 1770. I am again drawing a bullish channel pattern for hourly time frame also. So based on this bullish channel pattern, we have noticed the price action to be trading within this bullish channel pattern on the bullish trend. Currently we are noticing the price action to retrace to retest on this bullish channel pattern support line or the trend line, and the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. So wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, and if the price action bounces back from the support line, you can continue trading on the bullish side in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame, and we have values in red color boxes which are all the resistance and support levels for 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So the price action in 30 minutes time frame is trading on a sideways for now, or it is under a consolidation. Wait for the price action to break the previous high or to break the higher time frame support level of 1752 in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action trades within this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is trading between the resistance level of 1759 and support level of 1753. Wait for the directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. I am drawing a support line or a trend line. So based on this resistance line and the support line, it is very clear that currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is under a consolidation. So wait for the price action to break on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks on the bullish side, it will be trading within the bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this support line on the bearish side, wait for it to break this trend line or the support line and also the higher time frame support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Since it is a lower time frame, we will see multiple trends in 5 minutes time frame. Wait for a proper directional breakout in order to enter into a trade in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. So when we look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend, trading within this bearish channel pattern. But in the hourly time frame or in a lower time frame, it is in a bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this support line or the bullish channel pattern trend line in order to take trades with the higher time frame trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.